Taking her out for the first time. You see we are, oops, there's a surprise back there. We haven't shown you guys yet, so don't look too close. We're at Silver Springs State Park. We're meeting our friends Maureen and Bob here. They're from New York. They've got a road track van.
Campground check-in in the new rig.
I know. Excited.
Off we go.
Off we go. What you doing?
Something. 6 years of full-time RV life, I've never connected to the water. We always just
city
fill.
Water.
Yeah, we just fill and then we leave. We top off and go. But
this is how this is how their system. That's how you fill your fresh tank, anyways, through that same city water too.
I like it. I don't know if we showed on the video, but check this out. This is the outdoor shower, but there's instructions up here. You see these 4 levers. So if you're connecting to city water, you just look at this diagram, set these to that, and then you've got city water.
I feel like that's dumbed down for someone like me. Like,
or if we're out boondocking somewhere,
and they have winterizing.
you just flip this one up,
yeah,
and then use your water pump and use the water that's in your tank.
Yeah, this is new for us, this kind of system here.
Yeah.
I like it. Self-explanatory.
I've solved this already. I was trying to like hold this with my head forever.
Yeah, he's like, they need a latch. So this is the massive learning phase of this camper. We're gonna go in and get her something to eat. Go ahead and go in, Mama. Go ahead. Hi. If you guys notice, it looks a little different in here. We've spiced things up.
She's starving all day.
Yes. She needs her dinners. We still don't have, is that going to be your designated spot? That's a possibility.
When she's eating, they can put them on there, then we can just set them up there when she's not, because we're never going to make a bed down. So. I like what you got here.
Yeah.
It's colorful.
Spice some things up.
Now you do like paint.
No, you're just getting carried away.
Maybe.
Okay, it's time to make dinner. So I'm trying to figure out this convection oven / microwave. I'm actually reading the instruction book. I had I'm going to call it a shepherd's pie. It's probably more like a cottage pie because it's made with beef, but I have that prepped. Now I just need to cook it. But it's really weird because I keep thinking microwave, but there's metal in here, so that's throwing my brain for a loop. But so far I got the clock set. Seconds to begin cooking. Start plus 30 seconds. Oh, it's spinning! I keep thinking that there's like a fire that's gonna break out. Wow, look at that.
This says I can smell it.
Oh, this is so exciting.
There's no green beans in it though. Oh, sorry, I said the word.
Oh, you better get her some. She's my little chow hound.
Should we go for a walkie?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that cook for a minute.
I want to watch that for a minute. It's been a minute and a half. I'll keep you posted how this goes. I might just sit here the entire 30 minutes and watch it. It's heavy. It's a lot.
Glad we have company coming.
I know. Coming up. We're all tucked in for the night. I've got my coffee ready on the table. And pistol's all settled in here.
It feels huge.
It feels so big in here.
I think because instead of the queen size, we had a queen size bed, but the queen bed hit a wall on both sides.
Yeah.
And now both sides we have this foot or more.
The only thing she's not used to is having an open foot of the bed. So I'll have to make sure she doesn't fall off. Because she's usually up against the wall. you know, in both vans. She was down with the foot, like up against the wall.
So this is our first night in the truck camper.
I almost said the van.
I know, I keep wanting to say, oh, first night in this van, but it's not a van.
Yeah, but so far really happy with it. We have a lot of organizing to do.
A lot to do.
Yeah, we've kind of haphazardly thrown things in the cupboards for now, but it's gonna work. I remember when we picked up our Vagabond van at the Humble Road Shop. We had a rental van that we had all our stuff in. Showed up there, loaded it all in the van.
It's not gonna fit.
And I remember we were just kind of like panicked because nothing was organized. We didn't know where things were gonna go, even though, you know, we had that van specifically built for us. It still took a lot of wrangling to get things kind of settled in, but I'm feeling pretty good. Successful first day, I'd say. Oh, look at her. She's just too precious. She loves it.
Well,
any small space she loves.
Just loves a small space.
Yeah.
And us in the small space with her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, when you look at me like that. No wonder she gets all the green beans. Yeah. Anyway, pretty cool. See you guys in the morning. Oh, wait. I wanted to show you guys up the skylight. Oh, but all you see is a reflection of us. But there is a moon. So when we turn the lights off, we're going to see that moon. She needs a lap. Bring her down.
Okay.
You can put her on my lap.
I don't know how this thing camper works.
Good.
Come here.
Oh, she's squirrely this morning.
You. Come here. Come here. You come here. He says you come here.
She wants us back in bed.
There we go.
She just needed mamas. We made it through the night. It was an interesting night. That bed, I kind of feel a little beat up. It's very rock solid. Like every time I rolled over, I would wake up because it's so hard.
Yeah, it reminded me of the old hard mattresses of my youth.
Yeah. A couple of things that happened. Loved the skylight. We left that open all night long.
That was so cool. It was interesting because you're looking at the trees, but I was laying there thinking, if it was storming out, I don't think I'd want that open.
Yeah.
I shut the curtain on that one.
I bet we'll find out.
No, super cool. The first thing I noticed when she got up first and started the coffee, and the first thing I noticed when she turned the lights on, all the lights are soft.
Yeah.
I mean, they come up from above the cabinets, and it wasn't like that.
Abrasive light.
No, it was a nice soft light, but it's bright. I like brightness.
Yeah.
So, not blinding.
Yeah.
I didn't have a cup of coffee yet. I'm literally just out of bed 2 minutes ago, and she's filming me here.
Okay, same, but you can do the coffee. I think it's probably ready now, but
Okay.
I want to share what else happened to you last night. And I will say, this has happened in both vans we had, and now this camper first night, right? He gets up to go to the bathroom in the night, and those bathrooms are small. He's not a big guy, though, but they're just small. So I am in bed, and I hear the shower water come on. Every time he bumps the shower handle, so we end up having to like tie a string to it to hold it tight. So if you bump it, it doesn't turn the shower on. But yeah, he turned the shower on in the middle of the night when he was going to the bathroom. Like, whoa.
When I was leaving,
Yeah, you
hit
bumped
it with my
it.
elbow.
Yeah.
New digs, man.
Yeah, so we gotta sort this out, but all in all, a good night.
What the heck is going on?
Oh, it's too much. We just have the cups. Oh, get it off the side. We overfilled the coffee.
Coffee.
I didn't put it in the big carafes.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we can hit a laundromat. It's okay.
It's just a drop.
Okay. Good morning. What's this mug say? I think I'll just be happy today. That's exactly what we're gonna do. First cup of coffee in our new camper.
Cheers.
Ooh, that's hot. Cheers. That's a chore. Making that bed is a chore.
I love this bed way better than both vans we've been in, but making it is a little more difficult because you can't open the back doors and do it from both sides. But we'll get it down.
This is nice though. I can already feel a huge difference. I'm looking forward to sleep tonight. So after 2 nights in the camper, it's been successful. I mean, we spent the day just visiting with our friends Bob and Maureen, and we had another couple swing by, and
I went for a long run. We went for a bike ride for some Mexican food.
we've been busy, yeah. So
Yeah.
we just been kind of getting a feel for the space, but
This
loving it
bedroom
so
is
far.
huge. Look at that. Now with the mattress topper, it's the same height as the
The drawers.
the little storage areas.
That's
but-
okay.
Yeah, I'll take a little bit harder to make for a much more comfortable sleeping place.
Yeah.
Very, very happy
That's
with
great.
the bed. I stay up too late staring out that window though. It's like mesmerizing.
The skylight's amazing, yeah.
Yeah. Reminds me when I was young, I'd go backpacking with no tent and just roll out and sleep outside.
Yeah.
Very cool. So
Oh, before we go, I think you saw the bicycle when we opened the back of the camper. My bike so far we're storing inside the camper because we haven't found a dedicated spot for that. We got a few ideas. And then Dave's road bike we have in the back seat of the truck. We have something else pretty big stored in this back seat of the truck. About 14 feet long, actually.
how do we do that, do you ask?
Stay tuned for our next video to find out what that is. Any guesses?
Comment below.
Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
Join us on Patreon for extra content and all our videos early release and ad-free.
And check out the children's book that Irene wrote. You can get it on Amazon, or if you want an autographed copy, go to our website, careyandvagabond.com.
All proceeds go directly to the Green Bean Fund. Thanks again, and
Carry on.
carry on.